Greetings to everyone. We are from Team Menden and our team is Swadeshi. Health is indeed the best wealth of a nation and India should have a strong foundation in medicine. Our team has designed a novel vaccine for psoriatic arthritis (PSA), a chronic inflammatory disease affecting millions worldwide. Its effects include flares, inflammation, swelling and joint stiffness impacting about 30% of people who develop psoriasis. The main target for the treatments are IL-23, interleukin-23, IL-17, TREG cells, T cells, TNF-alpha and IL-1 beta. We have identified a plant-based compound that can help. The novel therapeutic agent Poseidon. It is a natural flavonoid with low anti-inflammatory properties and low toxicity levels. Poseidon's standard binding affinity is -7.2 kcal per mole, promising a good therapy. Molecular docking studies predicts that it binds directly to IL-17, the one of the main targets facilitated by its imidazole rings. The effective dosage level is 5000 mg per kg. IL-17 is the target and Poseidon is the ligand. It binds using a lock and key substrate mechanism in more than a million combinations like a puzzle. In addition, we had already made cytokine level testing. The cytokine level tester is a portable diagnostic device designed to measure the concentration of IL-17, a key inflammatory cytokine involved in autoimmune conditions like psoriatic arthritis. The device operates by analyzing a small drop of blood using a biosensor embedded within a microfluid chip. When the blood sample enters the chip, it flows through narrow channels towards a detection zone coated with IL-17 specific antibodies or aptameters. If IL-17 is present in the sample, it binds to the surface sensor, triggering a measurable signal, either electrical or optical, depending on the sensor design. The signaling is then amplified and proceeded by a microcontroller such as Arduino, which converts it into a readable output. The result is displayed on a small screen, showing the IL-17 concentration in real time. Optionally, the device transmits the data to a mobile app via Bluetooth, allowing users or clinicians to track cytokine levels over time and correlate them with symptoms or treatment responses. By offering a fast, non-laboratory method to monitor inflammation, this tester empowers personalized healthcare and supports the evaluation of vaccine effectiveness, especially in resource-limited settings. This is the QR code we had made for our project. It is an animation video and it is also for education purposes and awareness. Here is the structure of IL-17, so it binds directly to Poseidon. It is the target here. Thank you.